Hey, it's Robbie here, and what's the difference between an amateur and a pro? Well, the answer is simple, guys. The pros, they get paid for what they do, right? And I want you to get paid for what you do, which is starting an online business and having amazing success with it. Now listen, don't do the typical stuff that most people tell you to do, right? You don't need Amazon, you don't need e-commerce, Shopify, or any of that stuff. Heck, you don't even need an email list, guys. All you need to do is follow a simple training that the professional affiliate marketers like me do to have amazing success to the tune of thousands of dollars per day. And guys, I've taught this training and I've helped so many people from all over the world go from now having no online business to turning pro in their affiliate business and making significant life-changing income. As a matter of fact, I want you to hear from some of those people right now.
I started a new offer at the end of March, and within 3 weeks, I'm making now $2,000 to $4,000 profit a day. What I truly love about this business model is how I'm now able to make what I used to make in a week in a day, and what I used to make in a month in a week. And I'm now on my way to make what I used to make in the whole year in a single month.
So yeah, $1,000 a day right there, about $1,500 a day, not even 1,000, it was more than that.
This is literally like you are the middleman. You are direct to the consumer. You don't have to deal with all the crap that the company has to deal with, products, customer service, shipping. Like, you just get a piece of the pie, and you just have to learn how to work the piece of the pie. And like, I don't know what to tell you. Just, I would do it. I would 1,000% do it.
So yeah, guys, I mean, you can see literally, this is ClickBank. This is pretty much when we started running ads up here, March. Now it's pretty much October, and you'll see here, 902,663.36 cents. So that is what we did there. And then literally, here's like, we just started running ads in Digistore like, I don't know, maybe a week ago, a week and a half, $162,000 in Digistore.
That is pretty crazy. That's amazing, man. And guys, if you do the math, 900 plus 162, that's over $1 million. So,
Dude, that's awesome. And this is pretty cool, actually. I love to see this because, like, you know, man, you've been pretty consistent, like every single day. Like, you know, it's like, you know, $200, $280 on one day, and then it went to 400, then 800, then, you know, you get a couple of $800 days, you had the $900 day like you were talking about. Yeah, man. So that's awesome, dude. And it looks like, you know, on a week-to-week basis, like you're bringing in some decent money right now. So what would you say to somebody that is not in Commission Hero yet?
What are you waiting for?
I have definitely never had any prior experience in an online business. I was looking for something that I could do on my own schedule. As you can see, these are my stats. It shows you my days, the 1420. You know, I've had several $1,000 days or over that. And then it shows you my $2,300 day this past weekend. I'm on track to do, you know, a $10,000 week. I'm really excited.
Yeah, guys, isn't this crazy? Look at this. So, you know, $4,000 day, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, all the way up to $10,000. $10,000. Yesterday you had another $10,000 day. Today you're doing pretty darn well today as well. It's still very early. Man, oh man.
Push forward, it's gonna be worth it. I promise that.
So how crazy is that, guys? And collectively, the students that use my training over the past year generated multiple 8 figures online, and I want you to be part of that figure, right? And you can, and the way you do it, guys, is by clicking the link and registering for my free workshop. And the reason why is simple, because on this free workshop, I'm gonna share with you step by step how I've been able to do it and how I've been able to, most importantly, automate it, right? So if you've had no experience, if you tried other things in the past and failed, this is gonna be the perfect system for you guys. Now, to get access to it, to learn about this, all you have to do is click that link on this video to register for my free training. And on this free training, I'm gonna share with you exactly how to do it. The 3 steps you need to have success, how to find products that you don't have to worry about owning, that you can promote and make big time commission, and how you can literally automate the entire process with this super, super cool automation tool that I have. So don't put this off any longer. 2021 should be your best year ever. If you follow the steps, register for my free workshop, and I'll see you on the inside.